In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install Epson L3110 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, I want you to copy the link that I have provided you at the description box below. Once you've copied it, bring up your Google Chrome browser and at the address bar, paste the link that you have copied. Make a right click and click on paste and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and that way you'll be able to see this kind of page. So in a few moments, you'll be able to open this drop-down menu, select for Windows 11, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on the Go button, and eventually you'll be able to see the list of the option. Now proceed to drivers, and then here at the drivers, you need to proceed to the printer driver. So proceed to the printer driver, click on download, and you'll be able to open a new tab. Or here, it will ask you first to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept so that you can start the downloading process. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, you have to wait until it will be downloaded successfully. Once downloaded, please navigate to the top right corner, click on this one, and there you can see this downloaded file. Please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Now from here, while selecting it, okay, please make a right click and then you need to click on this cat icon. Close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Once you have pasted the file, you need to double tap to extract or unzip it, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. Go with extract to L3110 and kindly wait until you'll be able to create a new file folder here at the desktop. Once here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane and find for this Bluetooth and devices, click on it. And in this section, go with printers and scanners. And there you can see add device, click on it and wait until you can manually add a printer driver. So click on it, add manually, and in a few seconds you'll be able to open this window where you can find the printer by other options. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key, and please choose among of these three. It could be 001, 2, or 3. Click on next, click on have disk, and click on browse. So you need to proceed to the desktop and then find for the extracted file. Double tap here, double tap again until you would be able to see the driver. Once it's here, select any of that two and click on open and click on the OK button. And eventually you'll be able to see that one. Click on next and you can rename it. Once you've set the printer name, click on next and you can start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed this Epson L3110 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.